What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally going to see if we can't get some of this debris down trees that got blown down during Hurricane Helene. It's chilly. It's been chilly. It's trying to warm up a little bit. We got a little snow this week. It's a beautiful day. It's Saturday, December 7th. Beautiful day. But these two trees here that you just saw me, where they at? Here we go. They're pretty good size. This is actually the neighbor's property. This roadway right here is the property line. Everything this side is the neighbor's. But all these trees blew over from his side, so we're gonna cut them, get them out of here. The roadway's on my property. So, but if you can see, we got a bunch more to cut. So, got the Husqvarna. I got the Craftsman 10-inch electric battery as well. A lot of these up here on this furthest end are pretty small. I'm not going to try to put those on the mill or anything. These I just cut. This one and a couple more down there, pretty good size. We're going to cut those. Try to get them on the mill. Probably won't get them on the mill today. It's supposed to be pretty warm tomorrow, but we got to get this roadway cleared. We can't get any of them out of here because the trees I'm cutting are down there. So let's get at it. I didn't bring any extra fuel for the Husqvarna. I think it's, gosh, sharpen that blade. It's cutting like a scalded dog, son. I got the backup. The 10-inch Craftsman. I bought the 4 amp hour battery for it. Got it sharpened. It's actually one of the best tools I ever bought. I highly recommend getting yourself a battery chainsaw if you don't got one. Could stand to have a bigger bar on it, but it is what it is. But if you keep that thing sharp, that 4 amp hour battery on it, it'll cut like a champ. All right, we got this last little section. Those have all been cut. The ones that are down there, I got to drag them out with the 4000. They're pretty girthy. So this is the last real section here. Cut these small ones out, and then we'll cut this big one up. It's a pretty good sized tree. We'll get it and cut it where we can pull it out and get it on the sawmill. Yeah. Well, I was cutting this one. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but got a lot of stress on it. It split. I don't know how far back. So I was hoping to make some real long, maybe get some 2x8s out of it. which probably wasn't gonna happen anyway, but I don't know how far back it split. We'll see when we pull it out. I gotta wait one more cut back there, but that's gonna do it for today. If you guys stuck around this long, I appreciate if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time on the Abernathy Farm. Whoa!